Hi, I'm Dale Mitchell. I'm Executive Director of Ethos, and there's a blizzard going on, and everybody's supposed to be at home and off the streets, but we're on the streets because we're delivering home-delivered meals, Meals on Wheels to 1,000 homebound elders.
Why is it so important to get these meals out today?
Because this may be the only hot meal that an elder is going to have for the duration of the storm.
What do you think of the meals drivers working so hard today to get these meals out?
They're heroes. They're the most fantastic group of men and women we could possibly have. As long as the roads are clear, Ethos will be back delivering meals on Monday. Everyone, stay safe, be warm, eat well.